welcome back to the channel. I'm Crafty Valerie, and for today's video I'm going to show you how I made this makeup brush holder. Before I begin, I just want to thank all my subscribers for subscribing. I'm really grateful. I really enjoyed making this makeup brush holder because I really needed one for my own makeup brushes. And so this was an easy project to make because you didn't need a pattern. All you needed to do was measure, cut your fabric, and sew it together. The measuring was done by placing all your brushes on the fabric so you know how long you want your holder to be. Once you knew that, then you did your measurements and you cut your fabric and then you sewed it together. So it was very easy to make, and I'm really happy how it turned out. Now I can keep all my brushes together. So let's get started on working on yours. Continue watching for the sewing tutorial. watching. My videos are meant for you to learn the things I show you. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments. I'm always willing to help. And if you're liking my videos, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, have fun keeping it crafty.